What do you think is the significance of reproductive health in a society? Now first, let us understand the meaning of reproductive health. Now reproductive health is the total well-being of an individual in all the aspects which is related to reproduction. So the total well-being of an individual in all aspects which is related to reproduction is called as reproductive health. Now the aspects which are related to reproductions are: one is the physical health, emotional, behavior and social well-being. Now these are the aspects which are related to reproduction. If an individual is well in all these aspects, then we consider him or her as a reproductive healthy individual. Now it is important to know the significance of reproductive health in a society, because there are many problems which is associated with reproductive health. The problems are population. So day by day, as the population increases, there are many problems start arising related to population. It might be for the basic needs. There will be more competition for the basic needs, for the income, for the job, for the survival. So population is one of the important aspects which is related to reproduction. The next problem related to it is the high maternal and infant mortality. That is the death rate. The mother's death rate and the infant's death rate is increasing. Now, at present, if we consider, this has been minimized, but in earlier days, due to less awareness and less advancement in the medical or in the medicinal field, there used to be a time where the maternal and the infant mortality rate was more. Insufficient medical care and other problems related are the sex abuse and sex related crimes which takes place in the society, misuse of amniocentesis. Now amniocentesis is one method of seeing or observing the health of the developing fetus. Now this technique is used to check if the embryo is normal, it is free of any genetic disorders or metabolic disorders. Now in this technique, the doctors will get to know the gender of the developing embryo, and this technique has been misused to kill a female fetus, the condition called as female feticides. The next problem associated with reproductive health is sexually transmitted diseases. Example like AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis, herpes. Now all these diseases or infectious diseases, they are transferred from one person to another through the sexual contact. Now these are the problems associated with reproductive health. When people are aware about these problems, the society can be improved, or people in a society will have a better life. So creating awareness about the available birth control methods. Now this will help to minimize or reduce the population, prevents unwanted pregnancy. Awareness about sexually transmitted diseases and their preventive measures. Gender equality will help in bringing up a socially conscious healthy family, and spreading awareness regarding uncontrolled population growth and social evils which is being seen in the society. Now creating awareness about all these aspects will help in building up a reproductively healthy society. So that is why it is important to bring awareness about the reproductive health in a society. So when there is a reproductive health, so if a person is said to be a reproductive health, all these aspects or problems related to reproduction will be minimized.